Somsa is one of the traditional dishes of Uzbek cuisine. Each region in Uzbekistan has its own recipe and method of making samsa. Samsa is loved by both adults and children. Samsa baked in a tandoor oven has an unusual aroma and taste. Today, we would like to share with you the recipe for Samarkand's puff pastry samsa, which is baked in a tandoor oven. In this video, samsa was prepared for a large family. For this reason, the ingredients were used in large quantities. If you want to make samsa at home, we advise you to take 2-3 times fewer ingredients than in this video. The ingredients we need: 1 liter of water, 2 kilos of wheat flour, 1 kilo margarine, 1 kilo of beef, 1.5 kilo onions, salt, spices to taste. Knead a very stiff dough from flour and salted warm water. Knead the dough until it lags behind the sides of the bowl. The dough for tandoor samsa should be deadish. Wrap the dough tightly with plastic and leave for 20 minutes. Put the dough on the table and with the help of your hands begin to press on the dough. This is done to make it easier to roll out the dough. When the dough has rolled out enough, take the rolling pin and roll out the dough further until it becomes thin. Put the margarine or butter on the rolled dough and spread it over the dough. Gently roll the dough into a roll. If the roll is very thick, you need to knead the dough a little with your hands so that it becomes thinner. Divide the finished dough roll into 3 parts. Cover with a plastic and leave for about an hour. Preparation of the filling. Cut the beef and fat into small cubes of about 1 by 1 centimeter. Peel the onion and chop it into small pieces. Combine onion and meat. Add ground black pepper, salt, and other spices to taste. The dough that we rolled into a roll turned out to be thick. For this reason, we divide it in the middle into 2 equal parts. Gently knead each part with your hands so that all sides are smooth. Now cut the dough across into rectangular squares 6 by 8 centimeters. Roll out each square separately with a rolling pin. Put 1 tablespoon of filling in the middle of each square. Fix the edges of the samsa and mold by connecting the edges to form squares. Tandoor is kindled with wood or gas. Tandoor picks up the required heat after an hour of ignition. When the tandoor heats up enough, you need to reduce the flame and sprinkle a little water. Begin to stick the samsa to the walls of the tandoor. The walls of the tandoor are very hot. For this reason, don't forget to wear protective gloves on your hands. Bake puff pastry samsa in a tandoor until it's browned, which will take about 30-40 minutes. Get Somsa from the tandoor using a special device. Using a knife, remove the burnt layer of samsa that was attached to the wall of the tandoor. Serve samsa hot with tomato sauce. Bon appétit!